Morning everyone! So this is our day 4. So today, anong gagawin natin? May tour kami ngayon sa Lake Louise. Ngayon, nandito kami sa Elk Avenue Hotel. And this is our pickup point. So 9:45 yung alis namin. And 45 minutes yung biyahe natin using the bus. 45 lang, diba? Ito 2 hours. Ito minsan si Anarix, hindi ko na alam yung sinasabi nito. Ito totoo. So, antay na lang namin yung sundo namin. Medyo maaga kami, 9:30. So, okay pa. So, for today, nag-aantay pa kami ng bus. We decided to buy some coffee here. So, Good Earth Coffee. This is just in front of Elk Avenue Hotel. So, tingnan natin kung masarap pa. At least we tried something new, diba? The coffee. Ito na yung kape namin. And andyan na yung bus namin. Finally, nakasakay na kami ngayon ng shuttle namin. So, it's a small group of people. So, 45 minutes ang biyahe natin. Guys, say hi!
Drop you off to your hotel, to Elgin Avenue, and you can arrange your own time, right? You needn't wait for 1 hour, okay?
Okay guys, so this is our first stop. This is a Lake Tujak. So magstay kami ng mga 10 to 15 minutes dito and then pupunta kami ng Lake Minnewanka. So guys, ipapakita ko yung clips ng view ha. Magmo-montage ako dito. So, and enjoy muna namin yung view. Finally, we are here at Lake Minnewanka. Ayan, Lake Minnewanka na. So, ito na ata yung famous na may reel doon for the picture spot. So, bababa tayo. Right now, we are walking on ice. Nasa Lake Minnewanka kami. This is Icy Lake. So, a while ago, nandun tayo sa Lake Tujak. So, connecting lang to. So, ito is more of like walkable talaga siya na part ng lake.
Ano daw sa Banff National Park, Lake Minnewanka daw yung pinaka-deepest.
Deepest lake?
Oo, malalim.
Oh, may trivia pa kayo, hindi nyo kaya.
Mapakita ko na icy talaga siya.
Okay. Oh my God! Ginawa mo.
Icy talaga siya. Hindi, ito show lang na ano. So, I'm passing this microphone to the person na nagbayad ng $40 kasi nasira niya yung yung isang pair ng ski slides while we were skiing yesterday.
I'm passing this phone sa nagsugat yung ulo kakakulay ng buhok.
I'm passing this camp sa pinakamabait sa grupo. Si Paji. Tatakbo kami guys.
Oh, this is our third stop. We are at Johnson Canyon. So for this one, we're gonna be staying here for 1 hour. But we need to wear sa shoes namin yung parang spike. Kasi madulas nga talaga. So, free naman siya sa tour. So, one size fits all naman yung rubber for the shoes. So ayan, magti-trekking tayo ng very, very light. Gorgeous! Akala ko, mga 1.5 kilometer ang trail natin. So, hindi kami pumunta ng upper. Nasa lower lang kami. Para makita yung falls. Medyo hinihingal na ako. Ito na yung legit na trekking. Ayan o, nasa gilid ng bundok. Ganda ng view, guys. Grabe. This is the first time ever na nag-trek ako. And winter pa tong pinuntahan ko. Kasi never ako nakapag-trek sa Philippines eh. Kahit yung mountain lang doon na normal. Dito, snowy mountains. Guys, grabe. Sobrang ice. So, na-achieve na namin yung pababa sa lower falls kasi pag umakit ka doon, yun na yung upper falls. Mas matagal. 50 minutes. Itong lower is 20 minutes. Yun na. Ito na yun. Yan. And then, papasok tayo ng cave! May cave, guys! Oh my gosh! Such a wonderful view! God! What a wonderful view, guys! Woohoo! Anong masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo na ang ganda ng view? This is the lower falls.
Parang hindi totoo.
Ang lamig, guys. Kung mag-feel nyo lang yung breeze, ang lamig talaga. Kasi, ano pa siya, icy pa yung paligid niya. Sobrang ganda talaga. Pero sobrang baba lang din ng falls. Mas mataas pa yung Daranac Falls sa Philippines. Pero sobrang ganda, guys. So I will let you appreciate the beauty.
Others can do it.
Malamig. Yan, pabalik na kami ngayon. So, nag-trekking kami, papunta 20 minutes and then pababa 20 minutes din. So, all in all, 40 minutes yon. So, ang ganda ng falls, yung pinakadulo ng pinakadulo ng lower trail is yung falls. Pero, kung gusto mo pa na mas mataas yung falls na ma-view mo, meron pang upper. Pero, hindi siya advisable sa amin kasi naka-tour package kami.
Yes. 2 hours daw eh.
Oo, pag pumunta ka ng upper, magto 2 hours ka. So, hindi naman kami pumunta dito para mag-trekking ng full day. No?
At yung forma namin ay hindi pang trekking.
Yung forma namin pang pang corporate ata. Nag-trekking pero naka-corporate. Ano na lang to, blazer na lang to, corporate na te. Go mo na ang meeting. Yan, guys. Actually, for first timer sa trekking, di siya nakakatakot kasi maganda yung parang bago pa yung mga rails dito.
Maintain.
Oo, well maintained and sobrang ganda. Finally, guys, nakarating na kami sa the famous Lake Louise here in Banff, Alberta. Sobrang majestic yung view. Sobrang ganda, guys. Icy pa yung surface. Mag-iingat. Sobra dapat medyo may cool star spikes ka sa shoes. Medyo maraming tao ngayon. So, welcome to Lake Louise. I will let you appreciate the view in a while.
Hello! Andito kami sa Lake Louise. Sobrang ganda. As in, para kang nasa painting.
Yeah, dati puro nanonood lang kami ng mga vlogs ganon. Pero ngayon sobrang ganda, na-appreciate mo yung view. Alam mo yun, pause ka muna lang for 5 to 10 minutes tapos appreciate mo yung view. Tsaka ka na mag-picture or whatnot. Pero sobrang ganda.
Pero kung gusto mo makita yung water, sa summer ka pumunta.
Summer, oo.
Kasi ngayon puro snow, pero sobrang ganda.
At least ito, pwede kang maglakad sa mismong lake talaga. Kapag summer ka pumunta, makikita mo naman yung emerald na water. Kasi trivia guys, alam nyo ba na Emerald River ang tawag dati dito or Emerald Lake or whatnot kasi dahil dun sa water na kulay niya kapag summer. Ganon. Diba? So maglalakad muna kami. I think hanggang sa dulo lalaban namin. Okay nga nice. Medyo slushy na yung kasi medyo mataas na yung araw dito pero malamig yung breeze. Slushy na yung sinilip. And this is our last stop for this tour. This is the Vermilion Lake Drive. We're gonna be staying here for 15 minutes only. So yeah, overall na-enjoy naman namin ang aming trip dito sa Lake Louise tour. All of the lakes here. Sobrang ganda lang. Appreciate niyo yung view, okay? paano nyo i-rate ang tour natin
Wala,
ngayon?
hindi pa tayo nagtapos
dito?
A for effort kay Kuya.
Passing this to
Kasi nagka-translate ko siya.
Oo,
Habang
mabait.
nag-drive.
Mabait yung ating tour guide. Binibigyan niya kami ng talagang enough time para makapag-ready and ma-enjoy yung view talaga.
Masentro talaga tayo.
Sobrang sarap ng feeling dito today.
Parang kami nasa loob ng picture.
Ganda oh.
Ang ganda. May ano siya. Puro na fully developed.
Sobrang recommended. So, kung gusto niyo yung tour next week, message niyo.
May tour, ano ka pala?
Please use the code HA! Kala mo talagang ano. Okay, I will let you guys enjoy the view. Feel free. Feel free. So, andito kami ngayon sa Canadian ice cream. So, we're gonna try some ice cream. This flavor is New York cheesecake. That's it. So, yay! How was it?
Tatlo kayo pare-parehas.
Ano sa'yo?
Cheesecake yan, di ba? New York cheesecake. Oh, cheesecake din to. Cheesecake din. Buhay-buhay yung akin.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Peanut butter cup.
Apple first.
Ooh. Can I try?
Hinay ka talaga.
Uy.
This is all good, guys.
Nandulo na.
All good.
I got New York cheesecake.
We'll see. New York cheesecake.
Brownie.
Peanut butter cup.
No, gooey mooey.
Oh, gooey mooey.
I got the gooey mooey. It's so delicious. It's not that sweet.
I got both.
Talaga?
2 scoops siya. So, this is our day 4 dinner. So, we are going to Chuck Steakhouse. So, this is Chuck's Steakhouse. We do have a reservation at 8:30 tonight. So, medyo napaaga tayo dahil wala tayong pupuntahan masyado. Close na yung mga stores by 8. So, tatry natin kung okay ba yung steak dito. Pero based on the reviews, mataas naman ang reviews nito. So, tatry natin. Ito na ang huling hirit. Sa Tag-Init. Huling hirit ng gabi, okay? So we ordered red wine. This is Merlot. This is 20 Casting So 3 years ago? So that order is the rib eye.
Okay, pardon my reach. I'm gonna slide in 2 medium well steak frites here.
So this is my steak, everyone. Medium rare is okay. It's not too rubbery. soft siya, tender. So, meron akong sides na fries. Masarap siya. And we do have baked potato. This baked potato has cream cheese.
Ano naman yun sa'yo?
Some fries.
So this is bacon wrap steak, and this is truffle mac and cheese. And ang in-order niya ay rib eye with asparagus on the side. And he ordered as well the same with baked potato. Mine is steak frites with fries and veggies on the side. They both ordered steak as well.
So, manlilibre po siya ng ice cream. Kasi parang tinamaan kami sa
Ice cream.
sa winery. 6. Grabe, manlilibre siya 12.54. 500 na yan.
Yung cellphone ko. Ito na lang kaya?
Yan na lang.
Ano ba to? Paano ba to?
Pwede ba G-Shock yan? Ako na. G-Shock ko.
Double. Girl! Oh my gosh, you're... Okay, kailangan patayin tong keta eh. Kailangan patayin.
Kailangan patayin.
So, basta pero totoo to, magbabayad
So,
siya.
after naming mag-steak, dessert kami, McDo, ice cream. Nilibig ko sila kahit pa paano. Yay! Done na kami sa steak. Ito na yung last night namin dito. And ito na, finally, mag-ice cream kami for dessert. Yes!
Thank you po, Auntie.
Welcome!
Ito, galing sa YouTube.
Thank you guys.
Sa steak.
Keep on subscribing.
Last week ako pero wala. Hindi ako wala sa week.
Bye! Morning everyone!
Hey.
This is our last day. This is our day 5. Pickup namin is around 11:30. Current time is 9, so we do have some time to spare. So gagawin namin, mag-iikot kami dito. We'll try some coffee shops or whatnot, kung ano man yung maisipan namin. Kung ano man yung maisipan namin. As you can see guys, bihis na kami. All pack na rin yung mga maleta namin. Talagang aantay na lang namin yung pick up time. And malapit lang din dito yung pick up point namin. So, So we are currently here at White Bar Cafe. Sobrang taas ng review din ito, 4.6, that's why. Yesterday we tried Good Earth Cafe and it's really good as well. So today we'll try a different one. The coffee are like similar to other coffee shops out there, but we'll just check kung gaano katamang ng coffee beans and whatnot. So, and ang maganda dito, meron sila patio. Mainit lang. Pero feel ko okay naman kasi malamig yung breeze. So, try namin doon. So it's mag-11:30 na, and I think this is it, how I'm gonna end my vlog for our 5-day trip here at Banff, Alberta. Thank you so much guys, and hope you like and subscribe my video, and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga latest updates. Thank you so much, bye!